Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is February the 5th, 2019. This is the home of the 2-minute price prediction, as well as giving you all the news according to the charts. And if you can tell by the thumbnail, Charles Hoskinson has joined Endor. Now, the question that is poised today on this video is going to be, well, what about Cardano? Okay, we found this article right here on the left side of your screen. We're going to go through it about Charles Hoskinson going ahead and joining a predictive analytics firm called Endor. And I want to ask you all that question. Do you think that since Charles has joined Endor, is that going to take away from his focus on Cardano? Okay, that is the question I want to pose you all today. I want you all to leave me a comment in the comment section of the video and tell me, do you think that this is going to have a huge impact on Cardano going on into the future? Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Look at this article real quick. This is from Cointelegraph. Title reads, Cardano and Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson joined predictive analytics firm. I went ahead and highlighted some important aspects of it to see. It kind of insinuates that he will not be participating as much in Cardano, considering that he has joined this other firm. Now, Cardano CEO and Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson has joined predictive analytics firm Endor. The company announced the appointment in a press release shared with Cointelegraph on February the 4th, yesterday. Okay. A little further in the paragraph, Endor has onboarded Hoskinson as a senior advisor who will provide guidance and counsel in respect to the cryptocurrency industry, decentralization, and blockchain strategy. So it seems to me like he is going to be advising this company, this firm, regarding their strategy, cryptocurrency, decentralization. But what about Cardano? Is Charles still going to do the same for his cryptocurrency that he created? Or do you think that they're going to mesh with Cardano and Endor? That's another question that needs to be answered. But this is the thing that is leading me to maintain that he might not really be focused on Cardano in the future as much as he has been purportedly doing lately. Okay, right here, look right here. Hoskinson will purportedly lead a new strategic project, the essence of which has not been yet revealed. So he's leading a project for Endor. But what about his leadership for Cardano? Is he still being the leader in Cardano? This article does not go into any of these questions that I'm posing to you all today. It is something that you all need to come to fruition and answer for yourself or think about. Okay. And then this article goes on off track and talks about what Hoskinson thinks the digital currency is going to be like in the next 11 years. And really nothing pointed to this onboarding of Hoskinson to Endor. Okay, so I'm just going to leave the link of this article in the description of this video so you all can read upon it if you want to. But now we're going to go ahead and look at the price chart. Okay, and that is our function. That is our purpose, to give you all the news according to the charts. I just wanted to go ahead and give you this article because I find it quite surprising that so many founders of cryptocurrencies have been bouncing from project to project. Dan Larimer, I think he was the co-founder, or he created Steam. He went ahead and bounced from there and created EOS. Charles Hoskinson, creator of Ethereum, went ahead and bounced from there. Went ahead and bounced from Ethereum, created Cardano. These individuals who are creating these cryptocurrencies seemingly looks like they're not in it for longevity for one project. Okay, it seems as if something goes awry. Maybe the personalities of the people involved in the project, or maybe they got a different idea that current cryptocurrency or project cannot do. So they jump ship from that particular perspective and move on to a different project. leaving those who are interested in these projects or the investors holding the bag. Like, are you investing for the cryptocurrency or are you investing for the individual who created the cryptocurrency? Think about those things as we continue to see this cryptocurrency market become more mature. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at our price chart for Cardano. Currently, Cardano has been maintaining holding consolidation. We are seeing a lot of volume come into the market right now. It is currently moving to the upside about 0.5%. Let's go ahead and zoom in on this price chart real quick. And nothing too drastic has been going on in the market for Cardano. The volume has been on the increase for the last 2 days. So obviously we are getting a lot of action in the market for Cardano. You can tell right now that everyone is trying to hold that support area. Okay, so if Cardano breaks this support area right here at 0.038 cents in the near term, then we will see a major drop to the downside. Okay, I'm not seeing any strength into the market right now on the 3-hour bars for Cardano. So literally this support line that I've drawn on this chart is the last hope for Cardano to maintain its consolidation that it's been trading in for a very long time. Looking at Cardano on the 1-hour chart, as I stated, nothing too much has changed. Still seeing indications of market weakness coming into space. I don't see a lot of volume coming in. I can tell you now, okay, as I'm looking at this chart, that the market is trying to hold this support area. Okay, now this is going to be very contingent on if it can happen, because that last 1-hour bar, buyers definitely came into the market. So if we're able to close on this following 1-hour bar in the next 42 minutes, I will be looking for Cardano to move higher, but the overall market as I zoom out is not drastically changing. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Consolidation is really the name of the game for Cardano as of this particular moment. But if we're able to close above this support line that I've drawn, then we're going to move to the upside within this consolidation, and this support area, that 0.038 cent, is still support. So right now my analysis is for Cardano to try to move just a smidgen higher, but as long as we're able to trade above that line I've just drawn right here, Cardano is going to continue to move to the upside. But even there, you can see that there's a lot of resistance in this particular cryptocurrency in this consolidational area. That 0.039 all the way up here to that 0.0395 are all resistance areas for this market, and the volume is not insinuating that it wants to break those prices. So overall, again, what I stated earlier, this support line is the last hope and wish for Cardano. If it cannot hold this, then the market is going to have a drastic drop to the downside. Okay, and that literally can mean that it can come right here to a 3.5 cent price. Ultimately, this is a very nice support area at 3.5 cents. Okay, so keep that in mind. We're not done with a change in tone in the market to where we're going to see a continuation to the downside in Cardano. Okay, so my analysis is for this market to really hold consolidation. I have already drawn the support line, but even there, I'm getting a little bit leery as to if it can be maintained as we continue to go out in time. And then the resistance area is all the way up here around that 4 cent price. Well, I'm sorry, that 0.039 cent price. Okay, that's the first resistance area there. So that's our analysis. Okay, we have given you this article. Definitely seems as if Cardano wants to hold this consolidation a little while longer. We're keeping our eyes on the support area, and we're still kind of leaning towards it breaking to the downside, but it's holding consolidation now. That's about it. But the long-term move, I'm still seeing indication that it's trying to move lower. But in the near term, we can move to the upside, back up here towards that 0.039 cent area. Or that 0.0388 cent area. Okay, so the strength is coming in. That's probably how far I'm looking for it to go, but then we'll definitely have to come back in and see exactly how this currency is trading. But I'm not really too euphoric of this market really having a huge breakout to the upside. Not right now. It can transition over to that, but it's going to take a little while before we actually see that change occur. So that is our analysis. Just want to point out that article to you all today too as well. Just get your mind, your mentality to think about what would be the outcome of Cardano. So again, leave us a comment as to what you think Cardano is going to be doing in the future, considering that Charles Hoskinson has taken on other priorities. So tell us your thoughts. Leave us a comment in the comment section of this video and let us know. Make sure y'all maintain your profitability, and don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, like, and share this content as well. I'll talk to y'all later.